Do you have a lost Android and want to set up a new one using Google Backup? I have the fix. It doesn't matter if you have a brand new Android or an old one that you want to factory reset to set up your SIM card, but I will show you exactly how to do that. It doesn't really matter what service provider you use. I use Google Fi, and you can use any one that you like. All you need to do is have a SIM card sent to you so that you can install it in the new or factory resetted Android. So we have the new Android, and we also have a spare that we can factory reset. So the first thing I'll do is show you really quickly how to factory reset a spare or old Android that you can use with your new SIM card. Make sure before you do any of this that you back up any data that you want. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. All right, so let's go ahead and factory reset this backup Android so we can use it as if it was a brand new one, as long as you have your SIM card. All right, so let's go ahead and pull down twice from the top, hit the settings button in the bottom right-hand corner, and then type at the top, factory, and that should bring up the option that you want. So it says erase all data, factory reset. If you want to go to it from the menu, it's system reset options. So click that. And it says erase all data, factory reset. And let's go ahead and do it. Action not allowed. If you have questions, contact your IT admin. Aw, man, are you kidding me? So for this, you'd have to go into Family Link Manager and I guess remove your kid if that's what the situation is. So let's go ahead and stop this. So that was how to reset your phone from your settings. If you are not able to do that for whatever reason, you can do an external reset. So first of all, make sure your Android is charged to at least 30% and then go ahead and power it off. Once it is powered off, press and hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time until your phone turns on. So that's for this one, it's the Motorola G Fast. We're going to do this power button and this volume down button. So we're going to press and hold it until it turns on. Press the volume down button until you see recovery mode. So you see right here it has the two arrows. So press the volume down button and it says recovery mode. That's the one that we want. Press the power button to restart in recovery mode. Now, if you happen to run into this particular error that says no command, then do this to get around it. Volume up for 15 seconds and then press the power button while you're still holding down the power up button. Let's try it. 13, 14, 15. It didn't work. So if you have that problem, so what you do is you press your power button for 3 seconds and then press the volume up button. Let's see if it works. 1, 2, 3, volume up. Shut the front door. It worked. Okay, so we're going to volume down until we get to wipe data, factory reset. And then press the power button. And it's saying, yeah, wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. Well, we're trying to reset this to a new one. So let's just go ahead and do it. So volume down to get to factory data reset and then press the power button to do it. So you can see down here, it says wiping data, formatting data, data wipe complete. So it's already selected a reboot system now. So let's go ahead and do that. Press power button.
Moto.
Great, so it looks like we have a phone that has been factory reset to exactly what we want. It's pretty much just like the new one, except it's not new. So this is one way to do it, right? You can use a spare Android that you have laying around And then you can factory reset it a couple of different ways, internally through settings or externally through all the button presses. And if you are not doing that, then let's go ahead and look at the brand new Android. So in this situation, let's open it up. This should be pretty simple, I hope. So what we're gonna do is take the little pokey thing and let's go ahead and open the SIM card slot. Push that in and open it. Okay, it also has a little setting for external memory if you'd like that. It says insert the SIM and then download the app fi.google.com/app to finish setup. So let's go ahead and pop this out, but you want to be pretty careful, I would think. You don't want to damage it in any way. So go ahead and pop that out. You want to match up this little bevel right there. Yeah, so it goes in like that. So hi there, start. So we are going to connect to the network and type in the password and then click connect. Copy apps and data? Yes, please. Let's see if this works. It really depends on what you had backed up before you lost your Android, so we'll see here. Bring your data from a backup from Android phone. We don't have an Android phone. We lost it. Next one, a backup from the cloud. Perhaps that might be a good one. Or an iPhone device. Okay, so you could actually do the iPhone on this one. What we want to do is do a backup from the cloud. So that has a big G right there. It says sign in with your username and password. So that's what we want to do, is the Google account. Okay, it says Google sign in with your Google account. Okay, so put in your email here and then press next. Okay, enter your password and then click next. Okay, so this is kind of interesting. It's asking me to verify the two-step verification on my iPhone 13 Pro since I'm the backup for it. Here we go. Are you trying to sign in? So I'm gonna say, yes, it's me. Keep your account updated with this phone's number. Yes, I'm in. Set up your number. Your Fi service is currently associated with a different device. To set up your number on this phone, first make this your primary device. Okay, so move number. Get calls and texts on this phone. This deactivates your number on any other phones. Yes, that's exactly what we needed. Welcome to Google Fi. You've moved your number to your phone. Here's the number. Data. Your data connection should be active. Google Fi uses the approximate location to keep you on the strongest signal nearby, even when the app is closed or not in use. You can adjust your location settings at any time. As a reminder, your number is only active on this phone. It is no longer registered to another device. Excellent. And it's getting the account info. So this is great. Restore data from an old phone. That's exactly what we want to do. So it shows down here the old phone, which was this person's account, Moto G7 Plus backup. So let's click that. Okay, so here, okay, so this is interesting. So confirm your old Moto G7 Plus screen lock. This is my kid's and he keeps changing it. And now I have to try to remember it. So this is gonna be really funny. So it says choose what you want to restore, apps, contacts, SMS, messages, device settings, call history, all the stuff. Yeah, we just want I don't know what he backed up. So, oh, wow. Okay, it says all 99 apps. So that's fantastic. Let's click restore. Okay, so we get to choose the Google services. Backup to Google Drive, definitely. Use location. Allow scanning, let's turn that off. I don't like scanning. Send usage and specific data. No, I do not want to do that. Install updates and apps. Yes, accept. So let's go ahead and continue. Let's don't do the Hey Google right now. YouTube Music app? No, thank you. Anything else? No, thanks. Getting your phone ready. I'll go ahead and turn off the first two, but leave on the smart updates. Accept and continue. Click here to see more videos, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.